Hello, 101.5 FM.
Ba for machi.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Na mpacho boko de.
Na me go so fair.
Yedi nkomacho.
Na me yes ho.
If you boko.
Na me odom akade aka.
Akade aka mpa. Former president Wakasa, osi oba. Abai we si musika no ntua because Bank of Ghana na on register men's gold and as Security and Exchange Commission so no ma men's gold to me krata. But so ono de oba musika obetua ma mo. Te wo sen?
Me da se ne akwanya de am. Ne be ka ne se ye ye hwehwe nyina mfie mienu ne mpenten kwa ye tie ne nyina ne se ye nsa be ka ye sika. Nti se former President John Dramani Mahama said, Oba unyakonya na Ghana for nyina tie ne sufre. No moto abamano no ba obe investigate na what you are sika maya. Yede asempa do betu sika maya bia yede ye bejinti yede asempa maya.
Much your opinion no as a group.
As a group,
yeah.
Ya church letters said the wa unim bebre no. Ya church letters akokọ ba bi bebre. Ghana institutions ahodoɔ ne Ghana mpanifo yɛma ɔmo nso ebi yɛhyia NDC yɛhyia MPP duwe haw ne amane nyinaa to mani ntini ayegiri sɛ ɔso obetie yesu biara no yɛde we are ready for sɛ nipa no bɛboa yɛ
abaye so hwɛ sɛ yɛbɛboa mo a anka 2013 a company ne hyase men's gold no anka yɛhwɛ ma ne nkrata di mu wɔ Bank of Ghana ne Security and Exchange Commission na yɛatena hɔ na yan license na adwuma so na ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ Ghana ha na ɛka ba de ɔse ɔba obetua no ɔna ɔse yɛde ɛyɛ blame no kɔma no mo dwene ho deep no so mo gye ne sɛn because 2013 ɛna company ne ba yɛ de a na mpanyimfo pii wɔ ha ɛna DC ne si
2013 ɛna company ne ba yɛ John Dramani Mahama government institutions and Yanediao in Chamo. So Bank of Ghana and SEC and Mineral Commission, no, they are government institution. John Dramani Mahama and SEC anko, and Bank of Ghana anko, and the rules and the regulations govern this country constitution or what Mbrase Yajuma. Until 2013 as a company started. Not those institutions in our whole day. That is the government. The institutions are government. Institutions
of state.
And MPP by and so Bank of Ghana any second where were they? And beside that, no, omu eye jumano. Yen na yen no ma hodo no mo yen Ghana ha. Tourism Ministry. Yen share Premier League. Any sanya man into my ehunu. A cheye gui and as a sec na ma men's go judge because we be biara or men's go customer to the day of sec
issues are directive no na mu business
the business enya yesika wo duru obosomi so na wonsan kan si onkoji ye kwa they call you omo from kata wo time asoma abeje ni ha obiara for that period no but most people enter this business and now MPP by here make me kind on authority. Tell me because of 2013, no, me started media 2018.
Okay.
And because MPP buy any support on the man
support on the man one in terms of what?
In terms of the creative industry in this one, tourism industry one, you are aware of it. Man Entrepreneurship Award, or sponsor Premier League, and all these companies. Yes, I name a company. Yes, I name. How can you tell us, say? It's a fraudulent act. And it's not mind your woo. Because if any government institution to make a cancer assembly, that's what money are there and then go up on thing. Because you tourism industry, Ghana hand on one for uncle. Rebecca Foundation, I did ben one year. So my
anyway.
The institutions are the government.
Mammy Miss Asu say and first, near to tell me about 46,000. And then I'm one a TB. I'm a 46,000 customers of men's good. Neswatiana.
Nam one make can one for document material the way train is come. Menu can say minim ubia nam one so for the 2 years a year go up and down. You know like several meetings. Nam one mrameka and say on for the because they be our class asem na we dare him so on for document mame prove. enchre because ebia ye ni greater Accra takwa ne baby we deal ye nyina ye meet ye shia but I can speak much for Kumasi ha into over Kumasi and kwa validation over 22,000 you be akwa na validation no over 22,000 aye wo Kumasi ni Asante region akaka bi kura anti a chire no o man tefwe no kura ya quality o data no over 21 or 22,000 no e wo Kumasi obi a nya bi. No one should come out and tell us.
Eric, you better say, but you blame the government of the day for the air course.
I do blame the government. The government, because government, you know, and the institutions, you know, because we know if now one is to be arrested, because let me tell you something. Yoku, institution, I say take it. Yoku catch us a preservative order. At the bonnet near my list, ni danya who do on a car, ni aeroplane, and then Yama who do be our mark complicated, na counts been in Yamanya. Mini and I'm more by a young water. So to see a corn fear, your chair.
Some money to some corn.
Yeah, that's what called. Cars no so much, and yes, I can't go show you. Now, why until you want to pay boy? You might pay, yeah, sorry, the dance and national security. Echo pay boy, I got him. What be you mabo for who say what the Ghana forecast and also sign at it. Even if you are not going to use the state resources to bail us out, why say ni panabu and no gusu yachi and no gusu a business? But
so I can say no court. Court to your process.
Oh, Minia.
Eric.
Judge your chasm so you're in from I.
A normal in judicial service. It missy.
Yate. I'm a judge in the court the last work. That's one man fat document, Attorney General and fat document in your mamma and the Juma. When you know TBU, obey Jino, because I say government and I say Attorney General and also speed it up, no, and you're ready to serve the court with evidence in Yama. Or can you and in our working a transfer no?
Before the infants here, now I can't 46 days on. May I sure say I better monka. Into we are Tibonka, Bessia Bania Bidim Kobo. All right. Eric Bafo Casadema, men's good customers are more Asante man tem hatitru.
Hello, 101.5 FM.